Hi guys, me Misha. Everything I say is not financial advice. My personal opinion. Let's wrap up our day. That was a nice volume. It was. Well, on a market like this, will you take this trade? It corrected to 0.5. There is no reasons to not to. There is no reasons to. Yeah. Strong market and all of that. However, let me update myself real quick on the before I forget. I'm supposed to do it every morning. Update my availability for acting gig. Look at this volume. This is alarming. Yeah, this might not be the level. This may be the level. Yeah. No, this is the level. Why does it have to be so cryptic every time? Levels are great. This doesn't look like a weakness though. Look at this. None of this looks like a strength against weakness, you know what I mean? Are you with me? Look at this buildup. And then this volume. Locally, this does look like a strength and a weakness. And then splash of volume. Here too, everything. Let me put it this way, Misha. You'll have to play it on the margin. AKA margin call. Potential. So I should not. I should not. Ay, ay, ay. Yeah, like on day it looks all good. Except for this little volume, but I don't think it's critical. Well, that was good for a reversal. Here, however, however. Oh boy. Well, yeah, of course, from the previous. Well, it's a little high for a previous T2. This is weird too. Boom, boom, boom. That's kind of like a 1 bar rule. But before it became a 1 bar rule, it updated this level. Also this level, so I don't know. It's not clear. The whole question is, yeah, is it a real level? Or this is a level, you know what I mean? And by the way, this was not the level. 622. Yeah, so. Which is the more clear picture? This? Boom, 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 boom. Play safe, I'm not sure. This is not a level for sure, it's 1 bar rule. I would doubt this one too. If you doubt, keep it out. If you doubt, keep it out. Especially on margin. Come on, Misha. Okay, this guy's out. Comcast. Bam, 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 bam. It's a daily watch. Counter trend, far away. Why am I looking at counter trends at all? I have so many stocks. I have so many stocks. Unvolumed. Unvolumed. Yeah, so far up there. And it's unvolumed. I really need to tighten my nuts. my bolts, my nuts, tighten my nuts. Not the nuts, but the nuts, you know? Because if something, I mean, I'm abundant with uh, stocks. So what the heck? And my statistic is shit. So what the heck, what the heck? Only should engage in something that I'm 100% sure about. Unvolumed spring. Yeah. Unvolumed spring. Also, daily watch, please. And with all this longboard. This is my longboard. Is it bounce? Yeah, look at this long day bar. Sign of strengths. A lot of times also an exhaustion. Look how beautifully it's like right in there. Right in the air. One of the few paper trades of mine that went well. Pam, pam, pam. It's counter trend. But it looks like it's gonna hold. There's the splash of volume. Volume distribution is long though. Look at this. I'll show you. Bam, bam, bam. I didn't do this for a little while, but I'll put it there. Boom. Just as a reminder how beautifully long it looks. It looks beautiful. Strength. Yeah. So I wouldn't expect much from this correction. 0.5 possible. Moix. This didn't go. But I put it in paper. But I was fooling around. It's just, first of all, it's a contract switch, so it's always weird. Like when the futures expire, you can expect some jerky movements and some unreasonable things to happen. Qs are showing first sign of change of the direction. Also, there's all the beautiful volume down there. Yeah. Oof, look at this. This is powerful. You know, guys, what's powerful? Is how many L's are in there in English language. Just learned it yesterday. Never knew about dark L. Knew about it's like T, like what do you call this? I don't remember the term you have for T, but yeah, dark L, like in tool, gold. And quick tip for speaking funky English is like soft L. Tool, cool, la main. It's either cool or la main. Do you guys remember Zoolander? Anyone? Am I the only one? It's sophomoric, but it was fun. So don't blame me. Spies down. Spies down. What is there? Like, do they say 1040? Or do they say 420? Look at this. It's up for some trouble. For me, because I'm in 3 trades. Intel and 2 stocks that I don't even remember the names of. O and NVS. That's the thing. I was supposed to only trade big, recognizable, reputable stocks with dividends, dividend-paying stocks. I'm still committed to dividend paying, but I'm trading stocks I don't even know names of. One can say that this whole thingy was, but there was volumes here, on volume T1, so this all could have been a mistake. We'll check on this theory. Look how tight it is. Might be an accident. We'll know soon. And technically, if it changes the direction, what's going on here? This is also so tight. That's my glorious moment, pretty much, for the entire December, I think. My 5 minutes of glory. Intel just dies. Will it bounce from here? Well, who knows? Well, who knows? Yeah. Wow. It's better with you too. Yeah, this NVS guy just doesn't hold anything, just collapses. Continues to collapse. What a mistake. It was like screaming into my face. Only conservative. Well, I didn't know that. I didn't verbalize that at that point. O was more like reasonable. If I took it from here, I would have been in profit, but I took it after a test. Same deal. Yay. Fasagro. Clock. Pazzi. Huh. Interesting. It actually can hold. I don't think it will, but it could. Well, Pazzi doesn't look bad. Unvolumed. Yeah, so no matter the test. We'll see how it holds, how it closes today, but technically in transition extremum, if it closed a spring. Roku. I don't know why I'm following Roku. Yeah, it's kind of like it's idling. Oof. This volume does not look good. It's also New Year's, I think. People do shit. Samalot goes lower. Tegek. Ooh. You guys look at this. So technically, yeah, it was like a spring test. It was just too low on the test. Ay, ay, ay. But even more so, this whole thing is super weird. Is it going up or down? Anyone can explain me? I can't wrap my head around. Yeah, it's kind of like hanging out in this, what do you call it? Descending triangle? And like good working with like ascending triangle? Is it even a term? Widening? Shrinking? I don't know. But whatever it does, it does. It's super sexy on what it did on daily, but considering the situation, my personal statistic. Yeah, that was an entry. Quick to R, which I didn't take. Damn. Ay, 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 it just dies into my face. It's not funny at all. It's also volume T1. The one thing I was afraid the most that in my transition to, I'm not gonna take it, to American stock market, like I'll be gradually employing my capital, and by the time I will reach the highs. And that's what happened. Now once I'm employing all of my capital in 3 trades, we are at the highs. So if it just collapses from here, that would be like no bueno at all. I don't know why I'm looking at it. It's counter trend. I don't have no shortage of stocks. And my entry point is loose. And there is volume here, but configuration of the spring is irregular. Yeah. Don't think it's any good. Okay. This is not a continuation of the trend. This is at the monthly level now. This dude guy. Oh goodness. Visa. Looks long. Looks long. Don't think it's gonna hold though. DTM. J&J. Interesting. It's at the level once again. Yeah. Don't need a closed manipulation signal on any of this. Oh. Is it what you're saying? Interesting. Oh no, that's not what I meant. At all. Oh, see. Pick. Lily. deeper underground. I'm going deep underground. Baboosh. This is interesting. Lanner Corporation. We have a corporation here. You know? Why not? Oh, come on. What now? The heck is this? Oh, wow. No, I want to go back to... Okay. Are you still with me? Good. Yeah. And this guy. Okay. So, would you believe that's the long wave was born like this? Anyone believes? But I believe. Doesn't matter. Yeah. This guy. You're out. Out. This is sexy. When it closes. That's a good drop. Lanner. What is Lanner? 37 billion. 1.3 dividend. So nothing. Miami. You guys know I don't like Florida. Sorry, Floridians. Nothing personal. Just like too many crap out there. I don't think it's about the people, it's about the businesses out there. Fiverr goes lower. We'll see, we'll see. Sound volume, I couldn't take it. Get this guy. Peace. Whoa. This is powerful. Powerful. Do you say power or power? Powerful. Powerful. Remember Dictator? Sacha Baron Cohen? I love being American. America is number one. What a horrible, like, I call it toilet humor. I don't know if it makes sense. It's sophomoric, it's toilet. And there was a time in my life when it was funny for me. And at the time I still was outside of America, I think. Was I? I didn't have the culture though. Like, long story short, I was largely ignorant and unaware of the struggle of the people of accent. And like ethics and delicacy with which you should approach ethnical minorities and all the other minorities. It's a trade-off, like political correctness versus freedom of self-expression. Yeah. There's so many things I'm still to learn. Why do we have this? Yeah. I guess it's not. It's not even like. There is no volume in here. This goes down. Ooh, Rossetti. This is sexy. Montenergo. Market makes moves, except for the stocks I'm in, of course. Hmm. SLB. Why did I spend so much time on SLB? Wasn't in trade? Yeah. Hmm. So this was a transition shown. It's hard to trust it. Oh, guys would have learned today. I had a soliciting call. Well, not necessarily soliciting. I saw something on Instagram, like it'll teach you how to trade and all of that. And I always respond to those because I'm naturally curious. What is that there like teaching people? That was, of course, like sell of trading signals. Not only was that a sale of trading signals, but it was also a commission. So they want 20% commission. So basically, they tell you what to buy and like when to sell. You trade off your brokerage account, and then they take 20%. And at first, it was like, yeah, that's great, but this is also illegal. Like somehow I was sure that SEC does not allow to sell trading signals, even more so like to have commission, to ask for commission from that. And selling person was like, no, it's legal. I was like, what are you talking about? It can't be. Like, I'm sure it's regulated by SEC and it's illegal. And this phone conversation went nowhere, but like after that I went and Googled. Turns out they were right. It's absolutely legal not only to sell trading signals, but also to receive commission for doing so. And I wasn't able to find any regulation on that. So like somewhere it would say like, you gotta check with your state if it needs like licensing. that I understand it does not. It's absolutely ridiculous to me. Just like, this is ridiculous by all measures. Yeah, volume distribution on hour is weird. It was technically an exhaustion, but look, I mean, it's also weird. Like, I mean, yeah, look how. Yeah, it's very much one of the biggest since the dinosaur era. You know, TradingView shows you the dinosaur era. You see? So, yeah, this like volumes in the middle. Certainly doesn't look like an exhaustion for the entire. Maybe conservative then, and that's my thing, like to pick up stocks from when it's like so deep below and like, yeah, let's go. That's me. That's the biggest fun I've been doing lately, just like disregarding the position of transition extremum corresponding to the level of superior time frame. You know what I mean? Ooh, this doesn't look good. Yeah, none of them looks good. Whoever was buying was supplied thoroughly. Why do I continue watching it in continuation of the trend? Even if it changes direction, already confirmed, so bye. Yeah. So this thing, yeah, bro, bro is trying. Same deal. Sorry, bro, you're out. It sounded like very friendly. Like, sorry, bro, you're out. Well, I'm out, if anything, from the market for now. With my 3 trades. It's in a balance, unvolumed. Unvolumed. Why didn't I watch it? Like the story of my life. Was it because it was not a balance anymore, right? 1 2 1 2, but then like, yeah, no. Sorry. Even though there was an entry point, look at this. Exhaustion volume 1 bar reversal needed a test, and from here, don't think it's gonna go. It's actually there if you want it. But I should not. Walmart hanging out, doesn't want to go nowhere. That's enough. It's turbulent. Let's see the monthlies. Let's see the monthlies. I also, guys, feel like I'm finally tired of my year. I think I'm still physically present here, but in my thoughts and in my emotions, I'm already out there at the meditation retreat in 29 Palms, you know, working on my Dhamma. IYK. YK. IYK. Oh, I'm cool. Cool. Is IYK cool or lame? You tell me. Home Depot. The guy was fixing my bike at. Uh, the name of his shop was like Deepa Ripa. He would pick up the phone always, like, and he was like, Deepa Ripa? Like, listen, that's listening. I don't remember his name. I was like, I don't know. It was funny to me how he was like, Deepa Ripa? Yeah, everything is getting close. Okay, that's it for today. Too many watch lists. Like, I'll have to clean this up, and especially this part. But yeah, there was something I wanted to say about Spy. This is actually not a level. Yeah. This volume. Yeah, I was gonna say, if that's it, if that's how we're gonna reverse, I'm screwed. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's also a big, where is that? Elliot. You know what? Screw you. Okay, I'll delete it for now. What are you doing to me? Oh, okay, so it's only for paid. Anyhow, so if this is like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But wait, Spy existed way before this chart. I don't know, one way or another. I don't see exhaustion yet. Hopefully that's not the one. Like, I'll be waiting to break even for the rest of my life. But that's the choice I've made. Anyhow, see you tomorrow. Take care.